Hello everyone, welcome back to Kabbage Financial Solutions. My name is Mashkur Ali. Are you tired of paying too much in taxes every year? You're not alone. In this video, we'll show you some smart and simple ways to reduce your tax liabilities. Whether you're an employee, a freelancer, or a small business owner, there are legal methods you can use to keep more of your hard-earned money. Let's break it down step by step. We are here on this article to understand the entire process in detail. This article explains how to identify tax liabilities on a W-2 form. Along with that, it also discusses effective ways to reduce tax liabilities, which are quite useful. As we scroll down this article, we see a subheading called Tips for Reducing Your Tax Liabilities. It includes many effective methods that can help you significantly reduce your tax liabilities. Let's understand this from the beginning. It explains an effective way to reduce your tax liabilities is to grow your tax deductions. You can do this by contributing to your employer-sponsored retirement plan, such as a 401k or IRA. These contributions are tax deductible and can minimize your taxable income, ultimately lowering your tax liabilities. Some effective ways to reduce your tax liabilities. You can contribute to retirement accounts to reduce your taxable income. Taking advantage of short-term rental tax loopholes may reduce your tax liability. Another way to lower your taxable income is to pay into a health savings account. Donating to charity can also result in a deduction on your taxes. Investing in working interests in oil and gas can also provide tax benefits. Along with keeping all these things in mind, we should also make sure we don't fall victim to tax refund fraud. Therefore, we should not share our confidential information with anyone. So, if you pay attention to all these things, you can significantly reduce your tax liabilities.